Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have Parle Platina Hide Seek chocolate chip cookies. And these cookies are really special because they coming all the way from India. That's a long way. And let's look at the packaging first. The packaging looks really luxurious in my opinion. I really like the purple color. It really fits and it's really nice and shiny as well. I like this packaging. And it says here it's made by finest chocolate, so that's good. Suitable for vegetarians, that's also great. And the company that makes this is Parle Biscuits PVT Ltd in India. Let's go ahead and open it up. Opens nice and easily, so that's good. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Let's get one cookie out. Ooh, it's different than I expected. I thought it would have a chocolate coating, but I guess it's not here. It's just chocolate chip, so that was my mistake. And it seems to have a lot of chocolate, so that's a good thing. It's not gonna be dry like only one drop of chocolate, they have a lot of chocolate here. So, really good looking already. Let's take a couple of them out and taste them. Nice, look at this. Okay, it's time to see how does the Indian cookies taste like. The smell is very promising. I think this will be good. Okay, here we go. Hide and seek cookies made by Parle Platina. Let's go ahead and taste it. They're crunchy. Really surprising flavor. You can taste the amount of chocolate here instantly, like they didn't save the chocolate here. You can see the chocolate flavor is usually weak in the chocolate chip cookies, but this one is really strong because they put a lot of it here. Really nice. The biscuit flavor, the brown thing here, is also, it's not too sweet, so I like it very much. It's like really fitting together with the chocolate. Sometimes they make this wheat part also too sweet, so when you taste the chocolate as well, it's like overly sugary. But this one is a good balance. This cookie part is not too sweet. It's really good. Really yummy cookies. I like this a lot. And the shape, I gotta give bonus points for the shape. Like, look at this, they have like stripes. That's pretty cool in my opinion. You can like take small bite here. It cracks like easily. If you're like a kid or something, so your kid won't choke on this if they just go with the stripes. Yeah, just really solid and good tasting chocolate chip cookies. Gotta say it's one of the best in my life because the problem with chocolate chip cookies usually is that they do dry. But this one was super crunchy, super fresh, and it even came all the way from India and is still tasting fresh. So they're doing something right. They're really making good cookies there. So thank you Parle Platina for these amazing chocolate chip cookies, and thank you Indian confectionery workers who make this. Like, this is a good product. Thank you. I gotta try more Indian products on my channel if they are like this. Really nice. Yeah, thanks for watching, and comment below what do you think about these cookies. I like them. 9 out of 10. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.